Now that we've got it moving, give it throttle and hope for the best.
All right. Now we're going places. Now go that way. Go.
Every day in the towing industry, it's a challenge. Colin's adapting to a situation and he makes it happen. He is catching on real quick.
I love this job. Where else do you get to play in the mud and get stuck and get unstuck?
As night falls, Arctic winds blow in over Lake Huron, delivering a fresh blast of winter.
It's a windy one through here, boys. Damn, this wind is blowing.
A sudden storm is taking drivers by surprise. It's pushing south all the way down to the U.S. border. Early the next morning, casualties are lined up along the 401 near Windsor.
We have a rolled over tractor trailer, bottom of the ditch on the side of the 401.
Keeping this stretch of highway moving is Eric Goddard's job.
We finally got the go-ahead, so apparently the highway's safe. As safe as it could be, I guess. We're, have at it.
Eric runs a rotator for Coxon's Towing, which has been working around Windsor for over 50 years.
This business does take a lot of sacrifice. Drop whatever it is you're doing without question and just get it done.
The guys at Coxon's, great guys. They're really professional. They're really good at what they do.
Today, Eric's cleaning up the aftermath of the storm. A semi hauling a loaded cargo container, or C-cab, flipped on its side.
Okay, here we go. It's a 40-foot sea can with a load of cases of whiskey inside. We'd like to try to drink our way to the bottom, but we don't think they will allow it. I'm just trying to get to that lock to see if the lock's in. This one's released. See how much movement there is?
The customer wants the sea can to remain sealed. Without looking inside, Eric can't tell if the load is shifted. It could be too unsteady to tow on the trailer chassis.
We're going to remove the tractor and this chassis without the load.
So he needs to unlock the pins and separate it.
Both of these are completely released now. I got the back locks off. This one's going to be the problem. It is wedged up there. We need to draw that can in a little bit.
Eric's plan is to use his rotator to lift the sea can a few inches and take the pressure off the stuck pin.
You're on the truck. Yeah.
Rookie George Dagenet is Eric's backup today with a second rotator.
George has been with us approximately a year. This is going to be his first go as a lead operator with a rotator.
I'm really happy that it's him mentoring me here because you can't find anyone better. It's like him and the truck are like one.
She's starting to move now. We need a big pry bar. My big one, top shelf. Did you get it? Nope. I can't exactly see what's holding it. If I don't get this pin undone, then we're going to have to figure out a way how to get three of them locked instead of one unlocked.
What we're dealing with here is mud. We got mud piled up in between the lock for the container chassis and the container, and we're having some difficulty trying to lift the container in a proper position to take the pressure off of the locks.
We're going to go to the top corner and see if I can't lift it enough that maybe I get a block under it. Okay. She should come square. So you want the stacks block off? Yep. Pull the line so it's free first, please. Thank you. Yep. Lots of these jobs you can predict pretty easily. This is not one of those things that you can predict.
With the nation's busiest border crossing just up the highway,
I don't know.
afternoon traffic will be ramping up in less than an hour.
Gonna torch it soon. We've got to get that pin out. The whole operation depends on that pin.
Game on! This is it. The masks are coming off.